Ball is in your court. Ball is in your court means it is now your responsibility to take the next action or make the next decision. Let's look at some example sentences. I have explained my position clearly, so the ball is in your court now. I sent the revised contract to the client yesterday, so the ball is in their court now. We are just waiting on their response. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. I have offered you the job and given you all the details. So now you need to decide if you want to accept it. I have offered you the job and given you all the details. So the ball is in your court now. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.